Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see how to prepare oats for weight loss. The ways oatmeal are beneficial for weight loss. Few useful tips to remember that follows with a healthy recipe. Let us begin. If you plan to shed extra pounds without compromising on the taste of the food, you may look for the delicious low-calorie, low-fat oat recipes for weight loss. A bowl of oatmeal can do nutritious wonders which can be exceptionally tasty with nuts, seeds, fruits and berries. Oats is undoubtedly an excellent breakfast suggestion and a ready meal if you want to start your day on a healthy note for proper weight loss. Now let us see how is oatmeal good for weight loss. Oatmeal is the perfect food if you want to lose weight with the least hassle as it keeps you fuller for a long time and do not feel hungry for other foods. Moreover, the amount of fiber present in oats helps in proper digestion. You shall start with whole oats more suitable for weight loss instead of instant oats. You can have healthy oatmeal with added vegetables and fruits for the weight loss program. Now let us remember the few tips to promote weight loss. Firstly, you shall avoid sugary and flavored oats. You may also top your oatmeal with fruits rich in fiber like raspberries, blackberries and strawberries that will satisfy your sweet cravings and provide the fiber content from the healthy oats you eat. Avoid toppings like honey or maple syrup. Instead, add a banana or stevia for the sweet taste. Adding 1 to 2 egg whites while cooking oats will add protein to the diet, increases satiety and aid in weight loss. You may also add unsweetened almond milk and different spices like cardamom, cinnamon or cayenne pepper to enrich the taste and makes the oatmeal great for losing weight. Make oat smoothie, pancakes, granola or mix with the protein powder that is good for weight loss. Now let us prepare rolled oats porridge for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need rolled oats half cup, salt a pinch, banana 1 sliced, apple 1 chopped, water 1 cup, Ceylon cinnamon powder 1/4 teaspoon and unsweetened almond milk 1/4 cup. Please note down the method. Add rolled oats, salt and water to a pan. Stir well and bring to boil. Reduce heat and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally depending on the consistency you require. Turn off the flame. Transfer into a bowl. Add almond milk and cinnamon powder and mix well. Top with banana and apple. Rolled oats porridge is ready to serve. Remember that oatmeal can cause bloating and intestinal gas. That is best to start the day with minimum quantity of oatmeal. Oatmeal prepared from half a cup of dry rolled oats is recommended per day for effective weight loss. Thank you.